Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is David Samuel on this video tutorial. So in recent times I've been getting a lot of questions. How do you blur your icons? How do you blur stuff, items, characters on your flyers? So now this particular flyer was designed by Ayuba Elijah, and I'll be using this particular flyer for example. I'm not designing the flyer, I'm just showing you how to blur your icons and materials for design, the way this is done, like the Facebook, the way you're seeing that Facebook stuff. I think I also have another design by okay, so something like this. Are you seeing it? So how they do blur icons, so I'll show you how now. So let's go first of all to download something. Let's go to Pinterest. Where's my Pinterest? This is Pinterest, or it must not be Pinterest. Anywhere you can download your materials from is fine. Let's say okay, let's say TikTok logo. For example, I'm designing something related to TikTok and I need to add TikTok logo. So first of all, I'm not going to download this kind of stuff, this kind of white plain stuff. I don't know if you understand. So because I need it to be flowing, or sorry, floating, sorry. So let's go to something like this. We'll check on that. This is what I'm looking for. Things like this, things like this. Okay, you can see it's fine. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Let's scroll down if you can see something a bit okay. Let me download this. I'll be needing this later. Sorry. Okay, TikTok. Okay, let's just go up and download the one at the top there. This one. Let's download this one. You click on this three dot icon. You see download here. You click on download. It has downloaded. So now what do? You go to Photoroom. Photoroom is a mobile application that enables you to remove background without reducing the quality, and also helps you in the blurring. So that is what we'll be using. This is Photoroom. This is how Photoroom looks like. You can get it from Play Store. But if you want to get an on what is it called, a modded application, you can just type the name on Chrome, Photoroom modded APK, and download it from there. I'll prefer, or I'll suggest you download it from there so that you will not have ad. Are you seeing it now? Okay, let me do it again. You click on start from photo, you click on the image you downloaded, then allow you to scan it. Remove background has been removed automatically. So are you seeing it now? So you click on the transparent one. You can see we have three things there: white, black, and transparent. You click on the transparent, you click on that particular icon itself. Are you seeing it? Then you scroll down, you see blur. Immediately click on blur, you can see the one we use most times is the motion. Are you seeing it? So you now reduce the motion. It depends on how you reduce it. So how blur your icon is going to be depends on how you increase or decrease it. Are you seeing it now? I'm decreasing it, I'm increasing it. So whichever way you want it, this is where to get it from. You can see. Okay, let's say I want something like this. Okay, then after I'm done, I'll now click on the share icon. No, so sorry, I did a mistake. I did not save it. Let's do it again one more time. So this is it. You click on transparent. We have talked about that before. Click on the icon, scroll down, click on blur, then you reduce it. You click on motion, sorry, then you reduce it a bit to any length you want at all. Then you click on share icon, then click on save to gallery. Save to gallery. It has been saved already. So let's say I want to use Pixel Lab for my design. I can go to Pixel Lab straight and import. Okay, let me change the background to white so that we can see what we are doing. Sorry. So now let's bring it in. Let's see. So this is it. Are you seeing it now? So this is how to blur icon. This is how to blur icon for design. You can blur any other thing you want to blur. You can blur items, you can blur pepper, blur tomato, blur anything at all with this particular app. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, I would like for you to subscribe, very important, so you can get other useful videos like this. And also do well to like this video, share with your friends, and drop your review in the comment section. Any question you have and you want me to attend to it, drop your question in the comment section and I'll make sure I attend to it. See you guys in this video.